Guys, welcome to the first episode or first day, I guess, of this new series I'm starting called Zero to Funded, as you would have seen from the title. Now, I'm going to take a laid back approach in this, but because that's how I want to be, okay? I just want to be transparent with you guys. I don't want to add some fancy edits and waste time on that. All I want to do is give you guys the knowledge that I've personally have that has gotten me to become a funded trader. I know that is the objective for most of you that I've spoken to. You want to get funded, okay? And I was in that position myself not long ago, but I have managed to get my way to becoming funded, and I want to share all that knowledge with you guys. And that's exactly what this series is about. So it's going to be for anyone who's like properly committed to learning trading. I'm going to go through everything. I'm not leaving any stone unturned, okay? It's going to be in depth. There might be long videos, but how bad do you want this? Honestly, do you want to be funded or not? It just comes down to that. I'm going to give you everything. In the description below, you can, DM me on Discord and we can talk. I can get on a call with you. I'm not charging anything for it. Let's talk and let me try helping you out. So everything's there. And there's a bunch more free things I've made for you guys in the description, so check that out. But today it was just like an introductory video. I just wanted to, introduce and explain what this whole playlist or series is going to be about. It's going to teach you everything you need to know to get funded. I'm going to give you everything, honestly, guys. There's nothing to hold back. I mean, I'll give you my whole strategy. What's the downside? It's not like if so many people use my strategy, it's going to get figured out or, it's going to stop working. The market's going to do whatever it has to do. It doesn't care if, 100 people are trading the same way as me. It's going to move regardless. All I want to do is help you guys, honestly. And, I'm giving daily forecasts and I hope that's helping you guys out. I just want to add more. I just want to add more value on this channel, right? Honestly, I'm going to be so honest with you. I just feel like right now the videos I was making before, at least, it was just like making videos to put it out there. But I didn't feel like it was having any impact on you guys. I really want you guys to, you might not even use it. Maybe you might not use a strategy. Maybe you'll only use, a few things that I say. But even if you use a few things I say and it helps you out in any way, now that's going to make me happy, honestly. So stay tuned for the Zero to Funded series. I'm going to be uploading as often as I can. But ton of value, guys. And make sure to get a notebook or whatever. Just make notes every time one of these episodes comes out. It's going to go through everything, honestly. So yeah, stay tuned. And a ton of value. I mentioned this so many times, but I'm really excited for the series. I'm really excited to see the impact it has on you. And hopefully I will cover everything that you might be struggling with right now. I'll be sharing my past, even some present experiences that I've gone through, drawdown, all those sorts of things, and the struggles I went through. Maybe I'll do like a psychological series part in this playlist, something like that. I'll go through the mental aspects of trading, and there's going to be so much value, and I'm not holding back, honestly. This is like unfiltered. I just want to tell you guys the truth. I don't want to like put up a random fake, image on YouTube just to get views. As if I can help even like one or two of you, a couple of you, that's good enough for me. So yeah, that's enough from my side for today. Let me just switch this light off. It's a bit annoying. Yeah, that's enough for today. Just wanted to give you a quick update, and yeah, stay tuned for it. This is what I'm going to be focusing on now till probably, as long as it takes to, get some of you guys funded. But stay tuned. Happy trading. Stay safe, as I always say. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Stay safe, guys.